Okay, guys, it's your homeboy Six Figures. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you simple reason why I decided to partner and actually invest with Novatechfx. Okay, if you have watched my series of other videos, you know what Novatechfx is all about. Alright, so once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. You know how it is here. We talk about um, how to make money online. We also make reviews on business opportunity to see if it is a goal. What is the risk ratio? Okay, but bear it in mind that every business opportunity, be it online or offline, has a degree of risk. But the most important thing is you have to check your risk to your reward ratio. That's what is very important. So quickly, what's one of the reasons why I actually partner with Novatech? Okay, now if you go to similar web, okay, similar web. Now, similar well is one of the tools actually used to actually check out some things to know how far with this company. Okay, so if you check my other videos on Novatech, I did a full presentation of a Novatech review, my opinion, my own due diligence, and so far it's been paying me off. Now, if you go to how to call it, if you go to similar web, this is the simple information I'm trying to give you guys. Okay, you type in Novatech FX, you search. Now, what similar web is going to do for you is going to bring up for you where most of the traffic are generated to this site. Now, I also want to use this to let you know that you can easily spot a system, know that, so you can actually use it to spot if this system, it helps you to evaluate to see where most of the traffic are coming. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if we have a lot of traffic from Nigeria or so we scroll down. Okay, we scroll down. I'm going to show you Novatech traffic and engagement analysis. So we have total visits 2.2 million total visits. That is as per based on last month engagement. Okay, so you know there's a lot of traffic on this site. Okay, so what are we seeing here? You can see um so we want to see the top countries that are generating traffic. You can see, or you can see the geography and country targeting. So now let's scroll down. You can see top countries. Look at the first country is United States. 68% of traffic is coming from United States. Then the next is 8%, 8.3%, which is the Bahamas. Then the next is South Africa, 6.7%. The next is Canada. Then the next one is yes, Canada 4.4, and we have Germany 1.9, and others is what is 10.14. What does this mean? What is the implication of this? The implication is simply means that more people from the United States of America actually into this business. Okay, more people from the United States of America are into this business. That is the implications. Okay, that is the implication. All right. Yes. Now you can't see Nigeria here because our traffic is so minute. Okay, so minute. So this is one of the ways you can actually take to evaluate and see a company that okay, fine, it's not bad. Now I'm going to also show you another company that someone is showing me, and I tell the person, no, I'm not into this. I don't want to do this company. The person asked me the reason why, which I'm going to show you. It's called ZX something extra capital, I guess. You look at, yeah. So I want to show you like this particular company. I'm going to show you where the traffic is coming and to let you know that this company is actually done by Nigerians and here in Nigeria. And they are going to tell that it's from Finland, Iceland rather. So look at it. The traffic is from Nigeria. So which of the company will you rather want to partner or invest your money with? So I'm not actually saying that if this company is from Nigeria, that doesn't mean it's not going to work. No. But look at the traffic that they have been in operation for the past 9 months from Iceland. But you don't have Iceland people doing the business. Unlike Novatech, you have over 60% of Americans being the people doing this business. So, sure you get it. If you use this to check Binance, you see all the traffic. Okay, so this is one of the reasons, among numerous reasons. This is one of the reasons, being that the CEO is visible, she's reachable. They have been around for the past 3 years. Okay, and being that the interest rate is actually minute. Remember, I said this is my due diligence. This is one of the reasons I felt that I decided to partner with Novatech. All right, so now I also want to show you what I have been to for the past couple of months, what so far Novatech has been generating for me, okay? What Novatech has been generating for me every week. So now, if you're actually open to to investment, you have been investing and been losing out your hard-earned money. Okay, I feel that you're open for business. Fine, you can reach out to me, and I can actually put you up if you really want to be part of our growing team. So let me just show you my back office quickly. I already have placed a withdrawal for today. I've placed 93 and dollar withdrawal today. Okay, so I want you to see anywhere you see cents, look at cents, means I have placed withdrawal. So on October 29th, I've placed withdrawal $107. On October, okay, let me see. Okay, $107. The next one was $115. Look at it. $115, which is on October 23. So that's, you can see. So this is $100, $200. You can see here I withdrew $73. Okay, if I should go next, let me go next and see what it's going to give us. So I can actually take you back. So you can see here I withdrew I withdrew $195, which was on the 8th of October. So basically, see, so far on Novatech, I'm making a good passive income of at least $100 every week. And already $100 currently in Nigeria is around 800 naira. And if we were to calculate that, 800 naira times, let's say $100. So let's say every Friday, Novatech at least a whooping of 80,000 naira. Nigeria economy, it will go a long way. So the question is, if you have been doing businesses, you have been doing online investment, or rather you have been investing online and you have been losing your hard-earned money, if you ask me, my take is Novatech is a place for you to what? To actually do, as in, is a place for you to partner, invest, put your money to work. Currently, I've had a lot of company fall down, company like Kala, company like B&B, a lot of online investment, they come and go. Novatech have been around for the past 3 years, all right? Going to 4 years now. I will be having a mega convention by December in Abuja. So if you're open for business to invest, okay, all you have to do there's going to be a link in the description below. Just buzz me, click, send me a private message. I'll get back to you. If you love this content, kindly like and subscribe if this is your first time. And for my returning subscribers, thank you very much. Good to see you. This is my update on Novatech FX. See you next time. Bye-bye.